5.1 का question 10. Obtain the new equation of the following locus. If origin is shifted to the point 0 dash, that is 2, 2, the direction of axis remaining the same. So question number 10, we will say that let Pxy be the point on locus. Origin shifted to point 2, 2 and Pxy are new coordinates of point P. Now we know x is x plus h, that is x plus 2, and y is y plus 2. So the first equation, 3x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the locus. After shift in the origin, we want to find the equation of the new equation of the locus. So I'll put in place of x, I'll put x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 minus y plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. 3x plus 6 minus y minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. 3x minus y plus 6 equal to 0 is the new equation of your locus. This is new equation of locus. Second, x square plus y square minus 3x is equals to 7. X square plus y square minus 3x is equals to 7. This is the old equation. To find new equation, in place of x, we'll put the new coordinate, x plus 2 plus y plus 2 minus 3x plus 2. Plus 8. Okay, this is 4x. This is minus 3x. So this will become x. Plus 8 minus 6 will become 2. Minus 7 is equals to 0. X square plus y square plus x plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. This is your new equation of the locus. Similarly, the third one, xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4. Xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0. So the new equation will be x plus 2, y plus 2, minus 2x plus 2, minus 2y plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 0. So this is xy plus 2x plus 2y plus 4 minus 2x minus 4 minus 2y minus 4 plus 4 is equals to 0. This will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. You will get xy plus 2x. Now see, plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Plus 2y minus 2y will get cancelled. So actually everything getting cancelled. Your answer is xy is equals to 0. That is the new equation of the locus. The next part in locus and straight line is straight line. And let us talk about lines now. Line is locus in a plane joining any 2 points. Any 2 points. Now the next concept of line is inclination of line. The smallest angle made by the line when the positive direction of the x-axis measured in anti-clockwise sense is called inclination. In short, if this is your coordinate axis, and if this is your line, the angle made by the line with the positive x-axis is called as inclination. So inclination of the line say L is angle formed with positive x-axis. This is the inclination. And this also defines the slope of the line. Slope म्हणजे उतार. It also defines slope of the line. Slope of line is tan theta. Obviously, this theta is in between 0 and 180. Because these are the only angles that can be formed with the positive x-axis. So the theta is between 0 and 180 degree. And tan theta is slope of the line. But if we know 2 points on line, these are all very important concepts. Suppose I know 2 points on line, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then slope of line, that is m, slope is generally denoted by m, is given as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. If two lines have same slope, then they are parallel. if line L1 has slope M1 and L2 has slope M2 and M1 into M2 is -1, that is the product of the slope is -1, then L1 is perpendicular to L2. So parallel lines have same slope. Perpendicular lines, the product of the slope is -1. So we can say the lines have slopes which are negative reciprocal of each other. Acute angle between intersecting lines if suppose L1 and L2 are two lines with slope M1 and M2, then the acute angle is tan theta M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2, where 1 plus M1 M2 is not equal to 0. And by putting the modulus, we'll ignore any minus sign. So this is the acute angle between the intersecting lines. Find the slope of each of the following lines which pass through the point. 2 points are given, we have to find the slope of the line. Let us take the first one. Say A is 2 minus 1 and B is 4, 3. The line is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now how to find the slope of this line? The slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. We have just seen it, that if we know 2 points on the line, the slope is given like this. So here slope, you can treat anything x1, y1, anything x2, y2. So 3 minus of minus 1 upon 4 minus 2. So 3 plus 1 upon 4 minus 2, 2. So the answer is 4 by 2. Answer will be 2. Similarly, we can find slope of other lines. The second one, ये first का A मेरे ख्याल से. Second one is -2, 3, 5, 7. So A is -2, 3. B is 5, 7. So slope M is 7 minus 3 upon 5 minus of minus 2. So it is 4 upon 5 plus 2, 7. This is your slope. And like this, we can find out the slope of other two also. So find out the slope for other two. That is for you to do. Third one is, if A is 2, 3 and B is 2 minus 1, then the slope is minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus 2. Now see, this is minus 4 upon 0. When anything upon 0, it is not defined. So slope of line is not defined. Whenever the slope of line is not defined, therefore line is parallel to y-axis. Because slope of y-axis is also not defined. So whenever a slope of any line is not defined, the line is said to be parallel to y-axis. Similarly, let us take the fourth one. Fourth is 7, 1 minus 3, 1. A is 7, 1. B is minus 3, 1. So slope will be 1 minus 1 upon minus 3 minus 7. So it is 0 by 10, so it will be 0. So slope of line is 0. Therefore, line is parallel to x-axis. Because slope of x-axis is 0. So any line whose slope is 0 is parallel to x-axis. Slope of y-axis is not defined. So any line whose slope is not defined, it is parallel to y-axis. Now see, when a line is parallel to y-axis, x coordinates are same here. When the line is parallel to x-axis, y coordinates are same here. These are some of the peculiarities that you should observe. If x and y intercept of line L are 2 and 3 respectively, then find the slope of line L. This is question number 2. If x intercept is 2 and y intercept is 3, it means that if this is your coordinate axis and if this is the line, this is 0, 3 and this is 2, 0. These are the two intercept. Intercept म्हणजे काय? X intercept म्हणजे where the line is intersecting x axis. The point, this 2 is called as, this is the point of intersection. A having coordinate 2, 0 and 2 is x intercept. This is the point of intersection B with y axis having coordinate 0, 3. 3 is y intercept. Now they want us to find the slope. So slope will be 0 minus 3 upon 2 minus 0. So minus 3 by 2. This is the slope of the line. Next sum, third. Find the slope of line whose inclination is 30 degree. If inclination is 30 degree. So theta is 30 degree. Therefore, slope of line is tan theta. That is tan 30. Now what is tan 30? It is sin 30 upon cos 30. Sin 30 was 1 by 2. Cos 30 was root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is your answer. Now question 4. Find the slope of line whose inclination is 45 degree. So now inclination theta is 45 degree. Slope is tan theta. So that is tan 45. Tan 45 we know it is 1. Now question 5. A line makes intercept 3 and 3 on coordinate axis. Find inclination of line. Question 5 is a line makes intercept 3 and 3 on coordinate axis. Find the inclination of the line. A line is making intercept of 3 and 3 on coordinate axis. So this is the line actually. This is 0, 3. This is 3, 0. We have to find the inclination. Let us first find the slope. Slope will be 0 minus 3 upon 3 minus 0, that is minus 45. Sorry, minus 1. Now tan, if theta is the inclination, if theta is inclination, then tan theta is equals to minus 1. Okay, they have asked you to find the inclination. Yes. If theta is inclination, then tan theta is minus 1. Now, tan theta is minus 1. So I can say theta is tan inverse of minus 1. Actually, the sum has changed and they have changed the sum, and the question is, what is the slope? So slope is minus 1. हे क्वेश्चन चेंज केले त्यांनी. तुम्ही जर त्या शाला बरोबर कंपेअर केलं तर तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल त्यांनी त्याच्यामध्ये स्लोप विचारलंय, आता इन्क्लिनेशन नाही. पण कारण इन्क्लिनेशन आता काढता नाही येणार, हे मायनस 1 असेल तर हा टॅन जेव्हा इकडे येतो ना तेव्हा तो इनवर्स होऊन जातो. सो वी कॅन राईट डाऊन इट लाईक दिस simply. No need to find out the exact value of theta because we don't have positive and negative angles and all those things. ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो उन्होंने आगे जाके बदल दिया है बाकी के बुक्स में. They have changed the question to find the slope. Without using Pythagoras theorem, show that the points A, B, C are vertices of right angle triangle. Question number 6. Here we are not supposed to use Pythagoras. A is 4, 4. B is 3, 5. C is minus 1, minus 1. Without using Pythagoras, we have to show this. So what we'll do is we'll find slope of AB. 5 minus 4 upon 3 minus 4. So this will be 1 upon minus 1, that is minus 1. Then we'll find slope of BC. That is -1 minus 5 upon -1 minus 3 minus 6 upon -4, 2 by 3. Sorry, 3 by 2. Minus minus cancel. This is 3 by 2. Then we'll find slope of AC. That is -1 minus 4, -1 minus 4. minus pi, answer is 1. Now, if you see slope of AB and slope of AC, their multiplication is -1. Slope of AB into slope of AC is equals to -1, because this is -1. This is 1, so that is equal to -1. Now, when the multiplication or the product of the slope is -1, the lines are perpendicular. Therefore, AB and AC are perpendicular to each other. So, suppose these are the lines A, B, C. So AB and AC are perpendicular to each other. So obviously ABC are triangle ABC is right angled triangle. Without using Pythagoras, only by using the concept of slope, we have found the slope of AB, AC, BC. AB and AC, the product of the slope is -1. So they are perpendicular. It means it forms a right angle triangle.